Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly, and today we are going to take a look at how do I organize my images. Right now we are inside the post calendar feature inside Squirrly Social. We have to go over here to media. So let's click on it. And then we can see all our files over here. So organizing your images in Squirrly Social Media Library is easy using folders. In order to create a folder, we have to go over here, My Media, and on this wheel over here, Folder Settings. So let's click on it. And then we can click over here on this button, Add Subfolder. Let's write a name. And then click on this button, Add. Like so. And now we can see the folder over here as well as over here. So now, in order to organize your images, you can click on the folder that you have just created and add your images over here. Like so. So you basically add the images directly in the folder that you want the images to be in, or by going to the media where you have the images. And let's say that we want this image to be in that folder. We simply have to go over here to this dropdown, move to folder, select the folder that we want, and then click on this button, Move File. And yes, move. And now by going to our folder, we can see our image over here. And for any folder that you create, you can click over here to Folder Settings, and then you have the option to add a subfolder, to rename the folder, or to delete the folder. By clicking on Add Subfolder, you can write over here the name of the subfolder and click on Add. Then we can see the subfolder over here. By going back to Folder Settings, we can rename the folder if we want to. We have to write the new name over here. And click over here to rename. And we can see the new name like so. And we can also delete the subfolder. Same goes for this one as well. We have the same settings. So let's click on delete. We once again get a warning that this action cannot be undone. And yes, delete. Like so. So this way you can keep your media file organized by category, campaign, or any other structure that fits your workflow. Until next time.